explanation for the question here. The octet rule is the understanding that most atoms seek to gain stability in their outermost energy level by filling the s and p orbitals of the highest energy level with add electrons. So here oxygen oxygen seeks out two additional electrons to fill the p orbital.